This is Kelly again from Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and we're outside of our last property here. We own 3 mobile homes in this property, in this particular park, and this mobile home actually just got rented, and I will show you off in the distance here. Let's see here. Let me turn the camera around. I will show you here, guys. This particular mobile home right here, we own this mobile home. We own this mobile home, and a little bit ago, guys, I showed you our other property. Okay. So my brothers like to play games. So this particular mobile home rents out for this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It rents out for $1,550. As you can see, our mobile homes are newer. Okay, we don't normally buy pieces of crap. So this is $1,550. The lot rent is $515. So after we pay the lot rent, everything else goes in our pocket. This is a small amount of mobile home. This is going to rent for $1,450. We actually have renters already. They're going to be moving in on the 1st. And they actually asked could they move in a couple of items, guys, and that's all they had is a couple of items. They had a chair and a table, so we allowed them to do that. This is what we call a FEMA home. FEMA home is pretty much a shotgun home. Nothing fancy. You see everything is like flush against the wall. Actually, this is our most expensive mobile home, even though it's not even our prettiest mobile home. But guys, this is clean and affordable living that we're giving people. And so this rents for $1,450. The lot rent is $515. So everything after that is in our pocket. The other mobile home, guys, y'all gonna have a look that I created today. Now that's rents for $1,650, and the lot rent is $515. Sorry, guys. Anyway, I'm new to this live and this Instagram stuff. And when you're talking about a FEMA home, the AC is normally like up high like that. And I'll show y'all the outside. I don't know why it's up high like that. And I'll tell you the truth, I don't even know why it's running. We're gonna definitely have to turn that off. Let me see. I don't know why that's even on. Okay, anyway. So we got to do some touch up stuff here. Nothing exciting. These people have already been here. Like I said, they have moved a couple of furniture items in here. Actually, they, and I don't want to talk too loud because the next door neighbors who just moved in, these people are families. So the people that rented out this home, they're families with the people who are going to be living in this particular home. And so we're just here to do a couple of touch-up things. We already got the deposit. They already got approved and all this good stuff. I'm going to show y'all the AC. We actually moved this mobile home here. And when we moved this mobile home, guys, we had to put the skirting. We had to have it leveled, skirting. And then the tongue of the mobile home, we didn't cut the tongue off. We left the tongue on and made a little decorative area here. But I'll show you the AC system. I'm sorry, guys. It's kind of muddy out here. I wore my good gym shoes. I don't know what I was thinking about. But I'll show you the AC unit. So if you were interested in getting in the mobile home business. And another thing, guys, we had to put on a deck. If you're going to be successful at this business, guys, you're going to have to get you a handyman or a contractor, somebody who you can rely on, because if you don't, it's not going to work. It's going to be very hard to be in this particular business. Okay, so I'm going to show you how the AC unit on the FEMA homes are normally very high in the air, keeps it out of the elements, and the AC unit has a tendency to last a longer time if it's up like that. Okay, versus, I'm going to show you on our other home, versus down like this. Okay, often you'll have issues with the AC unit because it's in the elements. But this is our mobile home as well. This is a 2016. This is, I believe, is a 2017. And the one down the street, which was a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, that was a 2017 as well. So, guys, we're collecting in the upwards of $800-900 or more for each of our properties. We have 19 mobile homes and 2 single-family homes. And 90% of them is Section 8, and that's what I teach you in the course. I teach you how to get Section 8 tenants. So those of you who are interested in the mobile home business, you can contact me at 800-974-5580. We could do a free 30-minute one-on-one Zoom. And me and my brother and my family, we have, when I say my family, I'm talking about my mom. So me, my mom, and my brother, we have acquired all these properties except for the single-family homes in a matter of 4 years. So you, too, can do the same. And we use business credit, business lines of credit. That's how we went about doing that. All right. Y'all have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. This is Kelly and Joe from Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course.